My lovely India, oh Bharat, land of rising light, thy spirit soars in endless flight. From Himalaya snow to ocean's roar, thy glory shines forevermore. Motherland, oh brave and free, beacon of hope for all to see. In unity, our hearts combine across each faith and every line. Fields of gold and rivers wide, guarded by heroes standing with pride. Thy culture ancient, ever strong, in every heart you sing your song. Jai Bharat,